Yo, it's your boy Lelo Jones, and you watching Lelo in the Garden.
I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden.
Yeah, man, as y'all can see down here in Shady Lane, everything done died back because this cold we done had, Jack. But it's all good. I'm going to put you on the throwback. You did what I'm saying. Go back to 2016 to show y'all what me and Mr. Murray did back in his crib and show y'all how we went in real hard for that fall guard. You dig?
Today, if the rain lets up, we're going to try to get about 150 collard plants in. Some buttercrotch lettuce. And some arugula. You already know what it is. Going in. Now that we know it ain't too wet, let the fun begin. Pelletize line. Actually, you're supposed to do this the day before. Perhaps, but seeing as how time is precious, it's the most precious thing that you have. I'm gonna sprinkle down on the top until it ends. Get in the plant. Some people get soil tested. Actually, I should be a proponent of that. But time is a factor. Dreaded part, cleaning, chilling. But gotta be done. Gotta be done. Try to cut away from itself if at all possible, because sometimes the knife don't care what it cuts. You notice I changed the direction of the knife. And the knife hit you just right. Oh, you done made a mess. Tiller wasn't made for pulling weed. Sometimes that little tiller do what it do. We'll do it all. Well, we're gonna switch them on. Set the choke. And wind this top up and see if it spins.
Yeah, we going in again, outdoor lifestyle. This how we kicking it, yeah.
All that I need is some prolification. I'm in the garden grinding, trying to help these plants grow taller. Them babies start jumping harder when you hit them with that rainwater. Cause you gotta feed the seed if you want them to grow for strong. Give them some good dirt and some sun, they'll make it home. I gotta get it in so we can all eat. I even grow them veggies on top of the concrete. The moon take over soon as the sun go to sleep. So them plants grow to heaven and the roots run deep. Grow food. You need to get up on the game, I'm trying to show you. It's the grow food. You need to take heed of these things I'm trying to teach you. Grow food. You need to get up on this game, I'm trying to show you. It's the grow food. You need to take heed of these things I'm trying to teach you. Grow food is what I believe in heavy. So on Instagram, I talk about it daily. And it's cool if you are not with it. Hopefully somebody will see it and teach it to the kiddies. So food won't be a worry in daylight. The sun make them strong, the moon make them grow at night. It's the constant cycle when you grow food. Put the seeds in the ground and you won't lose. As long as the sun can see them, they'll grow smooth. And then you can eat good and your family too. That's why it's so important for you to grow food and get up on the game that I'm trying to teach you. Grow food. You need to get up on the game I'm trying to show you. It's the grow food. You need to take heed of these things I'm trying to teach you. Grow food. You need to get up on the game I'm trying to show you. It's the grow food.
What we're gonna do now? Go on and get nasty, dirty. Plant this lettuce close to the tomatoes because lettuce does not need a lot of light. And that gets me further away from the tomatoes, which is going to perhaps kill the light. I'm planting approximately 18 inches apart. I'm going to pat this down. And the reason why I'm patting it down is we may get a deluge or a downpour later on. And some of the rain can go down the slope of the pat down. And then you have to be careful because see, sometimes you have a gift. Right here I have 2 lettuce plants. So I'm going to separate them. And you want to try to get the dirt or the soil, as it were, even with the level that it came out of the packet. You don't want the black dirt with the amendment sticking out of the ground, and you don't want it below the ground. You want to have it even with the ground. Another gift here, so I'm going to spread them out and let them do what they do. This is butter crunch. Some people call it butter head. It's tasty. So it's real good on a salad. Super delicious. On a hamburger. Homemade hamburger, that is. If you run up on a cow that's been fed out in the field and not in a fence,
in my garden.
Might have some.
Some tomatoes and taters and basil. Got me some okra and garlic. The food on my table, I made it, I grew it in harvest. I just won't eat in my garden. I just won't get in my garden. I just won't get in my garden. I just won't eat in my garden, yeah. Eat me some tomatoes and taters and basil. Got me some okra and
Possibility my back might be hurt tomorrow.
I made it, I
There's a possibility that it won't. It's gonna be predicated upon how much water I drink and how healthy and how much activity my back gets. Put that in the ground for good measure.
I just won't get in my garden. I just won't eat in my garden. I just won't eat in my garden. I just won't get in my garden, yeah. Eat me some tomatoes and taters and basil. Got me some okra and garlic. The food on my table, I made it, I grew it in harvest. I just won't eat in my garden. I just won't get in my garden. I just won't get in my garden. I just won't eat in my garden, yeah. Eat me some tomatoes and taters and basil. Got me some okra and garlic. The food on my table, I made it, I grew it in harvest, yeah. I wanna get in my garden. I just get food from my garden. I wanna eat from my garden.
Yeah.
I keep some plants in my garden.
Okay, now, my garden. I keep some plants in my garden. My garden. I get my food from my garden. My garden. I wanna eat from my garden. My garden.
It's an outdoor lifestyle. Yeah, man, we getting it wild. With that boy Lelo, it's going down right now. Yeah, man, we getting it wild. It's an outdoor lifestyle. With that boy Lelo, we getting it in right now. It's an outdoor lifestyle. Yeah, man, we getting it wild. With that boy Lelo, it's going down right now. Yeah, man, we getting it wild. It's an outdoor lifestyle. With that boy Lelo, we getting it in right now. I live an outdoor lifestyle. In the wild, I'm getting it from fishing to hunting. I'm even going on forages. Great game, no plan. Showing you things you don't want to miss. Teaching you sustainability, the free life, you don't need no dividends. Out here in nature, she'll provide everything that you need to survive, from your medicine to the thing you eat. Don't matter if you're vegan or if you eat meat, cause the earth will grow up the plant and it's home to the chicken and beef. I don't care what it is, I teach you how to live on this good green earth, and I'll show you how the circle of life works. Going hard till I fall over, big deal here, so pull over. Yeah, man, I'm off the chain. Thought somebody tried to told you. When we see the hogs, we smash on sight. When we see the coyotes, put them in the spotlight. When you see the deals, you better not miss. And when you see the bells, you better shoot quick, yeah. It's an outdoor lifestyle. Yeah, man, we getting it wild. With that boy Lelo, it's going down right now. Yeah, man, we getting it wild. It's an outdoor lifestyle. With that boy Lelo, we getting it in right now.
Everything has a rhythm. When you find your rhythm, you utilize your rhythm. The tides come in, the tides go out. The moon comes up, the moon goes down. If I were playing music, I have established within myself a regular beat. I modulate my steps, I modulate my strokes. They're not too shallow, they're not too high. They are Goldilocks, just right. Well, sometimes you just have to get down with it. But as you can see, I think we've had a rather successful day. We've gotten in approximately 100 plants within 2 hours. Up here we have butterhead or butter crunch lettuce. Right here we have arugula. We have collards. Most of them have been watered so that the plant can start circulating the water up the stem, so the plant can begin the process of respiring, and that is circulating and breathing of the plant. What will happen once the plant begins to respire? In the morning, there will be tiny droplets of water under each leaf, and that will mean that the plant has started to circulate the water up from the ground. Now, if you notice, we have some stones in here. We work with the tiller, and soil is not perfect, but the tilth of the soil is important because you have to have space in between the particles of soil so that air, water, and nutrients can circulate. Now I think we're gonna hit it a few more licks and promise it some more tomorrow.
And when you see that big fruit, you can't help but to smile. If you know how to roll, pass that knowledge to a child and get them in the garden, put them seeds in the ground. So much fun it is to be had. The garden even changes.
Here we are, going American Gothic. You don't know what it is, you need to find out. This is all you need.
Yeah, we want to thank Mr. Murray for having us out today. You know what I'm saying? Let us grow these collard greens with them. Get some good work in early in the morning before the sunrise. You know what I'm saying? Now come on out here, get off the couch and come kick it with us. You dig what I'm saying? You know what time it is. It's outdoor lifestyle. Man, I just ran up on this little stick bug. I want y'all to check this thing out, man. Let y'all see what's going on out here outdoors. You know what I'm saying? We be out here, man. You know. Can't see this at home on your couch though. You gotta really be out the door. See that? See that thing look just like a stick. Just wanted to make it move for y'all. So y'all can see that, man. Some pretty stuff out here, man. I can't explain it. You know, stick bugs.